Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Anissa, and here on this channel I do DIY home decor and room transformations. And if that's something that you're interested in, then consider subscribing. So today we are going to do a 5-minute makeover. So I just completed a home office makeover for a friend of mine, and I'm just going to take you guys along for the journey. Not all room renovations have to be complete room overhauls. Sometimes there are just simple things that you can do for organization and function and bringing in the right pieces to a space that will completely transform it. So let's get started. So these are some quick before shots of the office. As you can see, the biggest challenge in this room is organization and functionality. So this is day of install, and you can see that a lot of things have been removed. The office has been decluttered, and that is my tip number one to any room renovation. Go ahead and get rid of everything that you don't need and only keep the things that you do. So I wanted to start with the bookcase. In a home office, your bookcase is pretty much going to be your show space for home decor pieces. So I brought in 2 more smaller cases, and then we decluttered by spreading some of those books out and then using some of those shelves not only for books but for home decor. So tip number 2 is to use these collapsible storage bins. These are perfect for hiding clutter, hiding paper, or just things that may not go with your design aesthetic. Use these to keep things tucked away and to always keep your space looking nice and neat. Another quick way to bring in some texture into the room, of course, you want to hang up some curtains and then hang up a nice picture on the wall. This is an apartment, so if you don't want to paint or put up wallpaper, curtains and photos, of course, would bring great texture and color to any space. And it is just my belief that you cannot have a beautifully designed space without the rug. The rug is a very important anchor to the room, so we chose to go with this nice neutral rug. And then as for functionality, her previous desk, it was small. I don't believe it was big enough for everything that she needed. So we brought in a desk that's not too big for the space, but is big enough for her to complete her daily task, and it won't be cluttered. This desk also gave her more storage options as well, with 2 drawers. So guys, as you can see, with just those simple things that we did, it completely transformed this room. Declutter, bring in some texture, then bring in some functional furniture that will work with your space. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found something that can help you and inspire you to complete your space. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy videos like this or room renovations, DIY transformations, all that type of jazz. So thank y'all again, and I will see you on the next video.